Journalist Michael Wolff dropped one of the most disturbing stories I've ever heard about Donald Trump and Jeffrey Epstein talking to one another. In this story, Trump is expressing to Epstein that he's very worried that Marla Maples is pregnant and he doesn't know what to do. Epstein tells Trump she's probably not even pregnant in the first place and she's just lying to him, so Trump takes her to a doctor and discovers that she is. Now watch what happens next.
And indeed, she was pregnant, putting him into a bigger panic. And he went back to Epstein and says, now what do I do? And Trump said, what if I pushed her down the stairs? And Epstein said, well, you could murder her and then you would go to jail.
But what's crazy is Trump supporters will brush this off saying, guys, it's just locker room talk, perfectly normal conversation between two guys going on here. Epstein even said, or worse, maybe you would even get away with it. Trump was very concerned and worried about this because he evidently did not want to marry Marla Maples in the first place. However, we know that he eventually did have to marry her and that Donald Trump invited Jeffrey Epstein to this wedding, so the story really does make sense. It's also very suspicious that one of Donald Trump's ex-wives named Ivana passed away by falling down the stairs. She also reportedly hated golf and Donald Trump buried her on his golf resort so he could write that off on his taxes. Very strange. Every single day we're learning more about the type of person Donald Trump is, but the question is, will the Republicans believe it and accept reality?